Walking down an old school ramp, an outdoor baggage claim, sitting in the sand? Those are a couple of things to expect when you arrive at Long Beach Airport in Southern California. Come along as I show you more of what you need to know about landing at one of the most chill big city airports in the world. And stick around for why you might want to stay a little while longer after you land. Long Beach Airport is located 20 minutes south of LAX and 20 minutes north of Orange County's John Wayne Airport. The location is a perfect midway arrival point for most travelers. With 17 nonstop destinations from airlines like Southwest, Delta, American, and Hawaiian, LGB is a welcome alternative. But what should you expect when you arrive? Upon your flight's approach, you will see the Southern California coastline. Traveler's tip: in my experience, sit on the left side of your flight to get the best views of the coast. Now, as you land at the airport, you'll notice how small the terminal is. Your first indication will be the lack of modern jet bridges. There are none. When you deplane, you'll walk down a ramp to get inside of the terminal. Traveler's tip: depending on the time of year and the weather, you might want to have a light jacket nearby to handle cooler days or evenings because of the ocean breezes. You'll arrive at either the north or south concourse. Now, they're not big at all. There's only 11 gates, so it's tough to get lost at Long Beach Airport. There are several places to pick up snacks on your way out, and later I'll show you one place that specifically wants you to order food right after you land. Signs will point you toward ground transportation and baggage claim, but if you're in no rush, you can sit and enjoy some fresh air in the open picnic area. And yes, there's a sandy pit where you can experience the beachy view and do some plane spotting. If you weren't team carry-on and checked the bag, you will claim it at one of 2 outdoor baggage claims. They're linear, so get in where you fit in. As I mentioned before, depending on the weather, you might keep that light jacket available in case things are a little bit cooler. The ground transportation is in one location. Passenger pickup by family and friends, shuttles to hotels and whatnot, taxis, ride shares, local bus. They're only separated by a median in the main roundabout. And rental car vendors are just a short walk away. As I mentioned, if you want to sit and decompress after your flight, one restaurant at Long Beach Airport, Little Brass, will let you order food via QR code, and they have the little billboard to show you that you can do it right after you land. Long Beach Airport is undergoing renovation, but at no time did it feel uncomfortable to move about. This airport now might be your go-to place when flying into Southern California. Thanks for watching these tips and tricks as you arrive into Long Beach Airport. If you like travel videos like these, please subscribe to the channel and pick one of these videos for your next journey with me, Kendall B. Thanks for watching.